under threat to become a float bridge. Seen earlier during the presidential gun salute, our M3Gs provide specialist combat rounding up howitzers to destroy targets up to 70 kilometers away. Look up again to see the A330 MRTG, which enhances air power by refueling our fighter jets in mid-air. Any obstacle for our forces to continue their attacks. Under threat to become a float bridge. Seen earlier during the presidential gun salute, our M3Gs provide specialist combat engineer capabilities, supporting up to 150 tons in weight and providing flexible solutions for any howitzers to destroy targets up to 70 kilometers away. Next are our signal vehicles, helping to connect our forces in the battlefield. And the MPA vessel, which maintains command over maritime operations.
Wow, submarine 它都载进来啊
Protecting our waters, the combatant craft underwater combats maritime terrorism, while munitions such as the Aster and Harpoon missile keep our maritime assets safe from both aerial and seaborne threats.
哇，可以用，看那个炸弹西北大哥。
Rounding up Segment 3 is the Hazmat Mitigation Vehicle, with a comprehensive range of detection and mitigation equipment.